It is just a 3-step process to fix bad image error pop-up on Windows 10. Go to search bar and type regedit. Click here to open it. Then expand HKey local machine. Then expand software. Now expand Microsoft. Scroll down and search for Windows NT and expand it. Then expand current version and search for Windows. Select it. On the right side, right click on App LNIT then click on Modify. If there is something written in the value data, then select all and just remove it and click on OK. And just close all windows and restart your system. Your problem will be solved. You are good to go.